Hey there everyone! So I am bringing you a little unboxing today. I have some Halloween goodies in here. I'm honestly so excited. I've been wanting these for a really long time, so let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. So we have the Sclera contacts. Like I said, this is my first time using them. I've used some contacts in the past, I just haven't had any experience with these that big. I figured you may as well want to watch me struggle to get these in for a couple of minutes. Let's do this. So I just washed my hands really good, because nobody wants stuff in their eye, right? The infamous headband. Okay, wow. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Hope I can get these out. Oh, I almost had it. I was so close. Okay, we got this. We can do this. We're literally 20 minutes later and I have the one in. So that was quite the experience, but it looks fucking cool, right? I'm surprised I can see. I know it has like a little clear spot in the middle, but I'm used to like a lot of stuff having vision blocks. This is really cool. My eye's a little swollen. It took a long time to get in there. I think I figured out a trick to like slide it up under my eyeball, or not under my eyeball, but under my lid. I'm scared about taking them out if they were such a trouble to get in. I think I want to try to do the second one, maybe on camera. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, because that was like a good half an hour trying to get it in. Round two. It's literally, you have to like hold your eyeball open. Oop. Already failed. Oh, we got it! Oh, give me a sec. Feels like there's an eyelash in there. Whew. Alright, that took a little bit. It's calming down now. Pretty cool though. I don't know, what do you think? Are you excited to see? I'm not going to tell you which looks, but we have two, hopefully. So thanks for watching me struggle get contacts in. I hope it was everything that you dreamed of and more. Alright, until next time.